Did you know that the way you arrange your home can directly impact your wealth, health, and overall well-being? For centuries, Indian wisdom, particularly Vastu Shastra, has taught that our living spaces are deeply connected to our energy, success, and happiness. Your home is not just a physical space, it is an energy field that affects your thoughts, emotions, and overall prosperity. If your environment is out of balance, it can create stress, stagnation, and blockages in your life. But when your home is aligned with positive energy, it opens the doors to new opportunities, financial growth, good health, and lasting happiness. Today, we're revealing 7 brilliant ideas that will transform your home into a magnet for wealth, positivity, and overall success. Let's begin. The entrance of your home is where energy enters your life. In Vastu Shastra, it is known as the Mukhya Dwara, the gateway of energy flow. If your entrance is cluttered, dark, or uninviting, it can block new opportunities and prosperity from coming into your life. How can you optimize it for wealth and positivity? Keep your entrance clean and uncluttered. This allows fresh, positive energy to flow into your home. Place a welcoming doormat. It acts as a filter, preventing negative energy from entering. Decorate with symbols of prosperity, such as a traditional Indian Toran, a brass bell, or a swastik symbol, which represents good fortune. Ensure your front door opens inwards. This symbolizes that positive energy is being invited into your life rather than pushed away. The entrance sets the tone for your entire home. Make sure it's inviting, well lit, and full of positive energy. Did you know that your home has a specific wealth corner? According to Vastu Shastra and Feng Shui, the southeast direction is associated with financial growth and abundance. If this area is neglected, cluttered, or misused, it can block the flow of prosperity into your life. How to activate your wealth corner? Place a money plant or jade plant in this section. These plants symbolize continuous growth and financial success. Add golden, purple, or red accents. These colors represent prosperity and high energy. Keep valuable items or financial documents in this area to reinforce wealth consciousness. Avoid placing trash cans, broken furniture, or clutter here. These block the energy flow of abundance. If your home is aligned with financial energy, you naturally attract more opportunities, wealth, and prosperity into your life. The kitchen is the heart of your home. It represents nourishment, vitality, and prosperity. A well-organized kitchen supports good health, balanced emotions, and a strong financial foundation. How can you optimize your kitchen for positive energy? Keep your stove burners clean and functional. They symbolize financial growth and should be used regularly. Store grains, lentils, and essential food items in glass or metal containers. This signifies abundance and security. Always keep a bowl of fresh fruit on the countertop to attract good health and prosperity. Avoid keeping trash bins near the stove. This represents financial loss and should be placed in a separate area. A well-maintained kitchen nourishes both the body and the mind, ensuring long-term health and stability. Your bedroom is where you rest, recharge, and heal. If your bedroom is cluttered, unbalanced, or filled with disruptive energy, it can lead to stress, anxiety, and poor sleep quality. How can you create a peaceful bedroom for better energy? Position your bed against a solid wall. This provides stability and security. Choose soft, earthy colors like beige, light blue, or soft pink. These colors create a calming and healing effect. Avoid mirrors directly facing the bed. This is believed to disturb restful sleep and increase restlessness. Keep electronics and work-related items away from the bedroom. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary, not an extension of your office. A well-balanced bedroom improves mental clarity, emotional stability, and deep, restful sleep. Lighting is one of the most powerful tools to transform your home's energy. Dark, poorly lit spaces create stagnation and dullness, while well-lit areas encourage positivity and inspiration. How to enhance lighting in your home? Use warm, ambient lights to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Let in as much natural light as possible. Open your curtains every morning to allow sunlight to cleanse the space. Himalayan salt lamps, candles, and fairy lights can add warmth and enhance relaxation. Natural elements such as indoor plants, fountains, and wooden decor further increase the energy flow and create a harmonious environment. Decluttering isn't just about cleaning. It's about removing stagnant energy that holds you back. In Indian culture, homes are energetically reset by decluttering, especially before festivals like Diwali. How can you practice decluttering? Remove broken, unused, or negative energy items. These block progress and abundance. Organize your workspace and living areas. A cluttered home leads to a cluttered mind. Burn incense or use essential oils like sandalwood, lavender, or sage to purify the space. When you clear your physical space, you clear your mental space, making room for new energy, opportunities, and success. A dedicated meditation or prayer space is essential for spiritual growth, emotional balance, and clarity. How to create your spiritual space? Choose a quiet, peaceful area in your home. Decorate with sacred symbols such as a Buddha statue, Krishna idol, or mandala painting. Use this space daily for meditation, gratitude, or self-reflection. A spiritual space grounds your energy, helping you stay focused, centered, and connected to your higher self. By following these 7 powerful home arrangement ideas, you can create a harmonious environment that supports your wealth, health, and inner peace. Let's recap. A clean and welcoming entrance invites positive energy. A well-placed wealth corner attracts prosperity. A vibrant kitchen promotes health and nourishment. A calm bedroom ensures deep rest and emotional balance. Good lighting and natural elements uplift energy flow. Decluttering removes negative energy. A spiritual space nurtures the soul. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which of these tips will you apply first? Remember, your home is a reflection of your inner world. Nurture it and it will nurture you. Namaste.